Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have 6 to the power of x all equal to root 128. So for us to begin, we have 6 to the power of x to be equal to our 128 can be written as 64 times 2. So we have 64 times 2. So from here we have 6 to the power of x to be equal to the square root of 64 we know is 8. So we have 8 root 2. So we have 6 to the power of x to be equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 root 2. So from here we take the log of both sides. Take log of both sides. We have log of 6 to the power of x to be equal to log of 2 to the power of 3 root 2. So from here we know that when we have log of a to the power of b, this is the same as b times log of a. So log of 6 to the power of x become x times log of 6, all equal to, we have log of 8 root 2. So from here let's divide by log of 6. We have x times log of 6 all over log of 6 to be equal to log of 8 root 2 all over log of 6. So we'll be left with x to be equal to log of 8 root 2 all over log of 6. But when we have log of a over b, this can be written as log to base b of a. So we have x to be equal to log to base 6 of 8 root 2. So from here let's rewrite our 8 back to the exponential form to have x to be equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 3 root 2. So from here we have x to be equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 3 root 2. So this is equal to x to be equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 3 times, this can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2. But when we have a to the power of b times a to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b plus c. So our x will be equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 over 2. So x is equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 6 plus 1 over 2. So we have x to be equal to log to base 6 of 2 to the power of 7 over 2. So we have x to be equal to 7 over 2 times log to base 6 of 2. Now let's resolve this expression using the change of base formula, where we have x to be equal to 7 over 2 times log of 10, log to base 10 of 2 all over log to base 10 of 6. So we have x to be equal to 7 over 2 times log of 2 over log of, we have x to be equal to 7 over 2 times 0.3010 all over 0.7782. So x is equal to 3.5 times 0.3868. So we have x to be equal to 1.3538. Thank you for watching Extra Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.